Hi everyone, I hope you had a good weekend. I just wanted to take a moment to go over the assignments with you for week number 7 of quarter 4. We are nearing the end of the quarter, so make sure that you're doing your best to complete your assignments and getting everything turned in a timely manner. Okay, so first and foremost, check your inbox here for any messages I may send you, and then also check announcements for this week's assignments. So for week number 7, quarter 4, if you click here, you'll notice we do have 5 assignments because it's a full week. So you've got your quiz that's due Monday/Tuesday, 7 benefits of running, and then you've got your fitness log. You've got a discussion board. Are athletes considered role models? You've got your mile run and your PFT wall sit test. So as a reminder, these 2 assignments here are not due until Friday, but that does not mean wait until Friday to complete them. You have the entire week to get these done, so try to get them done early. I only give you extra time for the mile just in case there's bad weather or whatnot. And then the PFT wall sit doesn't take that long to do, but you do have until Friday to get it done. So don't email me at 11:59 in the evening on Friday asking for more time because I'm not going to open the assignments. Okay, and then the rest of them have their due dates right here. Okay, so if you go into modules, so we're on week number 7 of quarter 4. And once again, these assignments are going to be locked until you actually watch the instructional video. Then you'll hit next. That you can see the checks here. It'll show you that that's how you'll know they're locked. But I'll go over each assignment. So the first one is your PFT wall sit. I know the majority of you guys have already done this before, but here are the instructions on how you're going to do your wall sit. So it's kind of like you're sitting in an invisible chair. And then you're just going to, you can watch this video for reference. And then this kind of gives you an indicator of how many seconds for men, how many seconds for women, and then if it's very good, average, below average, or poor. So you're going to try it for yourselves. And then when you click next on the next page, you're just going to go ahead and record your score. So you're going to just record, try the wall sit, time yourself, and then you're going to give me your score in seconds. By clicking take the quiz, you'll just put in your seconds and then hit enter. Once again, if you can't perform the test for any reason, just submit a score of 0 and then email me or whoever your P instructor is, letting them know what your medical condition is and why you can't complete it. Okay. The next assignment is going to be your fitness log. So you've got your fitness log for week 7, quarter 4, same thing as always. You're going to take 30 minutes of your day to at least 30 minutes to complete a fitness assignment. If you decide to walk, run, bike, make sure you are tracking that on one of your running apps, either Strava, Nike Run, and you're uploading a photo. So don't just tell me I went and walked for 30 minutes and that's all I did. I want to see the footage or the screenshot that you actually did it. Okay, if you did like a fitness log where you recorded your exercises, that's fine. If you're doing a sport and you want to use one of your practices as your fitness log, that's fine too. Be very specific with that. I need to know exactly what you did. If I were to read it, I could do exactly what you did on your fitness log, and it would take the exact amount of time too. So make sure you're including all that information. Remember, you get a point for the date. You get 5 points for a thorough explanation of your fitness log. You get 2 points for the duration, writing down the duration of your exercises, and 2 points for the intensity. So make sure you're including all this if you want full credit. Okay, and then to do that, you're just going to click the blue button that's up top here, and then you're going to enter your info. Okay, so then the next assignment is your reading. So this week is 7 benefits of running for just 30 minutes. So read through that article. You're going to go ahead and click next, and then you'll get to the quiz. And once again, it's a 10-question multiple choice true-false quiz, and it's 30 minutes long. Thank you, Gianna Grisso, for creating this week's quiz. So to start it, just click take the quiz, and then your time will start. Okay, so make sure that you plan accordingly so you have enough time to complete your quiz. Okay, the next assignment you have is going to be your cardiovascular day or mitochondria. So you're going to, same thing, your indoor, you can either run indoor or outdoors. If you do the outdoor run and you're using Nike, make sure you're joining your teacher's weekly challenge. Okay, for me, if you join my challenge and you complete it, I can see it straight on to Nike. If you're sending me photos from Nike and I'm not seeing you on my leaderboard, I'm not seeing you on the challenge, you are not going to get credit. So you need to join the challenge. You need to make sure you're sharing your routes in order to get credit. Okay. If you're using Strava, you don't have to share it with me. You don't have to join a challenge, but you do have to screenshot me the info as well. Okay. Additionally, if you're using Nike and you've joined the challenge, you've completed it, all you have to do on the assignment submission is just put, I did it on Nike Run, and I can look it up on the leaderboard and I can give you credit. Okay. If you're not sure how to do that, watch this video and it'll help you show you how to join the challenge. You're going to look for week number 7, quarter 4, and then you'll join that, then complete the run, and it'll post onto my Nike feed. Okay. If you decide to run indoors on a treadmill, just make sure you include this note on top of the dashboard of your treadmill. I don't want to see a split screen where I see this, the note and then I see your face. Make sure that it's all on one screen. Okay. So make sure you include your full name, date, word of the week, exercise. Okay. I'm seeing a lot of people sending me split screenshots. If I start seeing that, I'm not going to give you credit. So make sure you're following instructions. Okay. And then last but not least, you have the Metaconda option as well, where you get 10 points awarded for uploading 10 minutes worth of your Metaconda workout. Okay. And the next assignment you have is your discussion board. So you're just going to discuss whether or not athletes should be considered role models. Okay, so think about it. It's your own opinion. You're going to answer the following questions here. You have 5 questions to answer in complete sentences. Okay, don't give me one-word answers, and you get 2 points per answer. Okay, so make sure you're completing all of these. A lot of time on the discussion boards, I'm taking points away because you guys are not reading through the writing prompts properly and you're not answering the correct questions. So make sure you're reading through this, answer it thoroughly, and put it in the discussion, okay? And to do that, all you have to do is click reply, and then you can reply to the discussion. Okay, and that is the last assignment for this week. So as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I did offer a Zoom this week, or last week and the week before last, if anyone needed help. I only had about 6 students out of all my classes join and get help. So it's really important that you take advantage of opportunities given to you. Don't wait till the last minute to ask for extra credit. Okay, make sure you're doing your stuff daily. Make sure you're completing everything. If you're not understanding something, reach out immediately. Okay, I'm always available. I know that all the other PE instructors are always available to help you out, but make sure that you're taking care of business in this class. Okay, thank you guys and have a good week.